Hello. In this video, we are going to evaluate each expression, give the result in degrees. So we want to know the inverse cosine of root 2 over 2, the inverse sine of root 3 over 2, and the inverse tangent of root 3. Now to do this, again, I strongly recommend that you memorize the unit circle, but because we are working with the inverse cosine, inverse sine, and inverse tangent, remember where these have to be. Inverse cosine has to be between 0 and 180. Inverse sine has to be between negative 90 degrees and 90 degrees, and inverse tangent has to be between negative 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So let's look at this. The inverse cosine of root 2 over 2. Ask yourself on the unit circle, I'm going to draw a unit circle down here. There we go. Awesome unit circle. Fine, I'll draw an actual decent one here. Yeah, good enough. Now, cosine is the x-coordinate. When is the x-coordinate from 0 to 180 equal to root 2 over 2? Now, root 2 over 2, if you divide, is about 0.7 or so. So cosine x equals is vertical. So I want to know on the upper half, what angle might that be? Notice that it's in the first quadrant. So when is this equal to root 2 over 2? Now root 2 over 2 is at 45 degrees. So this means that this would equal 45 degrees. Awesome. Now what about the inverse sine of root 3 over 2? Well, sine is the y-coordinate, right? And we have to be between negative 90 and 90. So y equals root 3 over 2, which is somewhere about right there. Come on. There we go. Now, on the right half here, that's where it is intersecting, right there. And this gives us 60 degrees, and that is the y-coordinate. Now for tangent. Inverse tangent of root 3, I want to know when is tangent equal to square root of 3. That also is in the first quadrant, and that is going to give me, well, square root of 3 would be 60 degrees. And there you go. Now, for now, I do want to go ahead and make you understand that I do expect you to be able to do these in your head, because these are special angles. I'm going to show you how to do them in the calculator here in just a second so that you know, but I do expect you to be able to do these in your head. All right, I'll see you at the calculator.